Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and keeping well. My name's Tunmise. If you're new here, I do everything hair and beauty. Today we're going to be reviewing the Outre Audrina wig, the melted hairline synthetic wig line, and I installed it yesterday, so I just wanted to show you guys. It was one in color, I think one color one, and it was the Audrina wig again, and it was really nice. The lace was really thin, and I did pluck it. I went in to pluck some of it because I noticed the side of the hairline is quite thick, and there's not much parting space and lace in the sides. But yeah, you do get like a T-part type of lace with a little bit of lace for the edges, and yeah, it's not too bad. So right now, you're going to see me in the next clip hot pressing the hair or with the hot comb. I've plucked it and I've put some window peaks in the front, basically just taking out the extra bits in the middle, in the front, like the front edge of the hairline, and I'm just pushing everything back, making sure everything's nice and smooth before I put it on my head. So now guys, I'm in my bathroom in front of the mirror, and this is the best angle I could give you guys. I'm so sorry, but I do pop my head in to the camera sometimes just to show you. I cut the lace in 3 parts, and you're gonna see the flap soon. This is just easy to make the wig installed well. So yeah, I used the Tresemme hold spray in number 4, and I spray that on my finger and just tap on my forehead to where I want the lace to glue down. Basically like glue down or stick down to, because this is technically a glueless wig. But I do that and I make sure I cover my hairline with enough Tresemme hold spray so the lace can have something to adhere to. After this, I wipe off the excess that's dripping on my forehead and then get my blow dryer and put it on a low setting and just blow that a little bit till it gets tacky, and then place the lace over the Tresemme spray and then pat it down to make sure the lace has been stuck properly and nicely. I do get my rat tail comb and press the hairline in and just comb it back to make sure that all the hair and all the lace is stuck as well as possible before blow drying it and making sure that it's held in place. I then proceed to cut the lace, and I cut it in a zigzag triangular motion with the small scissors, just little triangle bits, like up down motion, just to make sure it looks as natural as possible. And I cut the lace as close as possible to the hairline so that it doesn't show as much. And then after that, I spray extra Tresemme on top of the lace, and soon in the next clip you will see that I use Spritz, and I got that from the hair shop, and I use that to keep the lace stuck down. So now guys, I have taken off the scarf. Usually you should have like a lace band that you should put down, but yeah, I couldn't find mine. But I tied it down as best as I could. It was really hot, so my hair did start to lift a lot. And I started to comb it out, and it looks great. It looks really nice. It melted into my skin. The lace tint really matched my color, and yeah, everything was great. I really liked it. Just that it was really hot, so the sides weren't as stuck as properly as I wanted it to be, but it's completely fine because the front looks good as well. I did get some hair shears, like it has a comb with a razor in it. I don't know what it's called, but I used it to trim the curls in the front and to give it some layers because it was a little bit full for my face. And this is it now at the end. Everything looks good, it looks pretty, and you would see a quick video at the end of me talking about the results and how I liked it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment if you've tried Outre's wigs before. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm done with the wig now. I did a little bit of makeup and everything's looking Gucci. Lace is really nice. I did trim it, as you can see in the video, and it looks really great. So yeah, I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is a series that I'm trying to start, of me trying to perfect my wig skills, I would say, because I don't really wear them, but I'm just learning how to style, curl, cut, use the hot comb, use the tools that I have at home, because I have everything at home but I just don't use them. So yeah, let me know what other wigs you'd like me to review. I've got another one that's a deep wave, so I might do a video and install that. Oh, my fingers are still orange from the tint, but yeah, that tint is great as well. So yeah. Yeah, girl.